The most common error that you make in the kitchen is assuming. If you assume that you have everything but you haven't checked, then you're gonna falter again. If you don't assume, that means that you have checked every single area of what you're doing, and then you're gonna be a-okay. That's why unfortunately cooks have to work a lot of hours, because if you don't make sure that things are ready, nobody else is gonna help you unless you have trained your staff. Now, even though you maybe have trained your staff, they always need help. They need your help as a chef. So that would be probably one of the most important traits to have in the kitchen. Never assume. Since it's a tender chicken, this is gonna cook quickly. Okay? So 221, 233, that was 10 minutes again. También tenemos que hablar en español porque si no, nadie nos va a seguir en México o en Latinoamérica. Todos lo ven en Los Cabos, lo ven en Ciudad de México, lo ven en Aguascalientes con Edgardo, o ¿de dónde es Edgardo?
Pachuca, Pachuca.
Pachuca, la bella airosa, saludos. Make sure that you have a very hot pan. You don't turn it down. If you turn it down, you're toasted. Okay? Do not start, flipping it. Wait till it goes down. Use your tongs to toss it around a little bit. Now you can begin tossing. Okay? That's it. You have to know your recipe before you start. You have to practice your recipe if you want to bring it together with the rest of your menu. And also, your prep is crucial. You have to have everything. If you don't have everything and you're running around at the last moment, then you're literally looking for trouble. You gotta be ready. So really, it's those three things that make a successful operation possible. We can teach you how to do that with the Severing Group. But you just gotta give us a call. For the coco van, you're gonna remove the excess oil pool, and then this is what's gonna start the braise. And you have your top also. That is going to give us the finishing. Yeah, get on this side. Salt, pepper. No, it's gotta be on the grill, not on the flat top. Right on the grill. That's on the flat top. Okay, I am set and ready to go with the cook van, and I'm set and ready to go with the lamb shank also. So I got two. What else do we need? Okay, fish. Yeah. Okay, so pretty much what you just saw is the action that happens in the creation of a new menu, into showing the plates to new staff members, to owners, to anybody that wants to see them. And that's how it rolls inside the kitchen. So thank you for tuning in again. Hope to see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe, alright? And we'll see you soon. Bye.